Hello everyone and welcome to your math session. Today we are going to continue with our chapter angles and pairs of angles. I hope that you all are doing well and safe at your home. So let's begin our session. So our objective for today is students will be able to identify opposite rays and angles in linear pair. The skill that we are doing today is identify. हम पहचानेंगे कि अपोजिट रेज और एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर्स को कैसे पता करना है. ठीक है, सो वी विल आइडेंटिफाई टू थिंग्स टुडे. वन इज अपोजिट रेज एंड सेकेंड इज एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर्स. ठीक है, I will explain you the meaning of opposite rays as well as angles in linear pairs. These are our steps to build skills for opposite rays. ठीक है, opposite rays, how to identify opposite rays. These are steps to build skill. First, names of the rays. We need to write down the names of the rays. Rays के क्या नाम है हमको वो लिखना है. Second thing, what are the point of origins. Okay, then we need to write down origin point. That I'll explain what are origin points. And then do they form a straight line. क्या वो दोनों रेस, क्या वो जो रेस के नाम हमने लिखे वो स्ट्रेट लाइन बना रही है या नहीं. सो दीज आर 3 steps to identify opposite rays. Now before knowing opposite rays we need to find out what do you mean by rays. Rays का मतलब क्या होता है पहले वो समझना जरूरी है, राइट. सो rays, right, rays, what do you mean by ray? Ray is a part of a line which starts from one point and goes continuously in one direction. Ray का मतलब क्या होता है? Ray एक part होता है line का, right? And it starts from one point. It always starts from one point and goes continuously in one direction. Now one point. Everything in geometry starts with a point. Take an example. This is a point. I name it as A. अभी यहाँ पे और एक पॉइंट है, name it as B. When I join these 2 points, it becomes a line, line AB. ये क्या बन गया? अभी लाइन बन गया, line AB. Now, if what does a line means? A line means that it can extend continuously in this direction as well as in this direction. लाइन का मतलब होता है कि ये कंटिन्यूसली दोनों डायरेक्शन में जा सकता है. जितना मेरा बोर्ड है वहां तक जा सकता है. इफ इट इज अ क्रिकेट स्टेडियम देन इट कैन एक्सटेंड टिल द एज ऑफ द क्रिकेट स्टेडियम. सो हाउ टू शो दैट इट इज गोइंग कंटिन्यूसली इन बोथ द डायरेक्शन? वी पुट इट 2 एरो हेड्स. इसका मतलब होता है कि ये डायरेक्शन में कंटिन्यूसली बढ़ रहा है और यहाँ पे इसका मतलब है ये डायरेक्शन में कंटिन्यूसली बढ़ रहा है. हाउ टू शो इट? बाय पुटिंग 2 एरो हेड्स, राइट. सो दिस इज लाइन ए बी. Now ray is a part of a line. Line का एक हिस्सा होता है ray. So and it starts from a point. I name it as A. But ray में क्या होता है? It goes continuously in one direction only. यानी line दोनों डायरेक्शन में जा सकता है, but ray जो है ray सिर्फ one डायरेक्शन में जा सकता है. Name it as B. और ये one डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है. Can I put a arrowhead here? No. Then it becomes a line. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे भी arrowhead दे दिया और यहाँ पे भी arrowhead दे दिया तो then it becomes a line. Ray क्या होता है? वो सिर्फ एक डायरेक्शन में जाता है. So I will put one arrowhead on this line, which shows that it is a ray. And how to write it down? We will write ray. First point of origin क्या है? Point of origin मतलब ray कहाँ से start हो रहा है? तो ray A से start हो रहा है. So I will write ray A और B. So this ray, how to represent it? We will write it as ray AB. Or if you want you can plot this symbol also. इसका मतलब है it is going in one direction. Clear? So this is the meaning of ray and this is how you represent ray. Very easy. I will take one real life example. Okay. Now say for example we all are aware about sun rays. Sun जो होता है उसके rays होते हैं. We are all aware about it. Take this as sun. और इसके रेज हैं, राइट. ये सब इसके रेज हैं, राइट. नाउ वी ऑल नो दैट सन का जो रेज होता है इट पासेस फ्रॉम प्लैनेट्स टू प्लैनेट्स एंड इट रीचेस अर्थ, राइट. अर्थ के पास में सन का जो रेज आता है. सो इट उसका पॉइंट ऑफ ओरिजिन क्या है? उसका पॉइंट ऑफ ओरिजिन है यहाँ से, right? And it goes continuously in one direction, right? It goes continuously in one direction, एक डायरेक्शन में ही जा रहा है। क्या ये रे जो है ये दूसरे वापस से सन के पास आ रहा है क्या? नहीं, सन से होते हुए दूसरे प्लैनेट्स के पास जाता है, राइट? सो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ रे, बिकॉज इट द पॉइंट ऑफ origin of this ray is from this point and it goes continuously in one direction from planets to planets, right? So this is how rays works in geometry. Alright, so now we'll understand the meaning of opposite rays. Ray का मतलब होता है a part of a line which starts from one point and goes continuously in one direction. Opposite rays में obviously we need two rays. So two rays which have a common point and form a straight line. दो चीज यहाँ पे जरूरी है. We need to think about two things. First is both the rays they must have a common origin and they form a straight line. Straight line होना चाहिए और common origin होना चाहिए. Say for example ये O A है, ये एक रे है, और O B है, ये एक रे है. So O A and O B, these are the two rays. First, do they have a common origin? Yes, which is O. Second, are they forming a straight line? Yes. So this ray OA and ray OB are opposite to each other. This is how you will identify opposite rays. Okay. Now we'll do one question on it. So question number 1. What is the question? Look at the figure and answer the question. हमको question पहले ये figure दिया है, right? In which how many rays are there? There is ray OC, OD, OA and OB. These are the four rays given to us. Again OC, OD, OA, OB. These are the four rays given to us. The question says, are ray OC, OC and ray OD, OD opposite or not? हमको पता करना है कि रे OC and OD are they opposite or not. So we now know the meaning of opposite rays. We know the first steps to build skills. We follow the steps and we'll find out the answer. Okay, I have written down the solution already. First question, names of the rays. You need to write down the names of the rays which are given in the question. तो रे OC दिया है और रे OD दिया है. So I will write it down, रे OC and रे OD. Right? Rays हो गए. Now point of origin. Point of origin क्या होता है? Point of origin means the point from which the rays starts. So OC कहाँ से start हो रहा है? O से, and OD कहाँ से start हो रहा है? O से. कैसे पता चलता है start कहाँ से हो रहा है? The arrow point, the point which is near to the arrow, that is the end point. ये जो point है arrow के नजदीक वाला, that is the end point obviously because ये तो आगे जा रहा है इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे arrow डाला है. So this is the start point of ray OC. And then ray OD में भी D के पास arrow दिया है तो that is the end point. तो start point क्या होगा? O होगा. So this is the origin. Now do they have a common origin? They have a common origin. ray OC क्या है? Point of origin is O and ray OD का point of origin is also O. So they have a common origin. Third point, do they form a straight line? Straight line बना रहा है कि नहीं बना रहा है? So if you will see the figure, OC and OD they are forming a straight line, right? Cross में है, but ये cross में भी they are forming a straight angle, right? They are forming a straight line. So हमारे दो requirement opposite rays के fulfill हो गए. What are the two requirement? First, they have a common origin. Second, they form a straight line. Both are fulfilled. Now I will write it down the answer there. Okay. So answer. How to write down the answer? Once you have identified everything, you will write down ray OC and ray OD are opposite rays. If you want to write down the reason, you can write because they have a common origin. They have a common origin, right? And what? They have a common origin and they form a straight angle. So they form a straight angle. Right? Just keep your video here, pause it, write down the meaning of opposite rays and write down the answer for this question. Clear? Pause your video here, you can pause it right now and you can write down the answer. This is how you are supposed to write. You need to write down what are the two things that, what are the two requirements for opposite rays. First is common origin, second is straight angle. अगर ये दो चीज हो रहा है, so then they are opposite rays. Very easy and very simple. You just have to follow the steps and find out the answer. Okay. All right. Now we'll look for the meaning of angles in linear pair. It's very easy. Linear का मतलब होता है straight. Linear का मतलब होता है straight. So we need to see two angles. We need to see two angles which are forming a straight pair. Okay, which are forming a straight pair मतलब which are making a straight line. Now सिर्फ straight line नहीं होना चाहिए. They need to be adjacent also. Right? So the meaning of angles in linear pair is two angles forming a straight line. जो दो angles straight line बनाते हैं, right? They are forming a straight line and one common arm. एक common arm होता है. These angles are called angles in, these angles are angles in linear pair. So these angles are linear pair. हम सीधा लिखेंगे linear pair कहते हैं. क्या? Linear pair. Very simple. One straight line, second one common arm. Adjacent का मतलब क्या होता है? They have a common arm, right? They have a common side. So that is what we need to see. Right? Now we'll move to one question. So this is your question, class. Identify angles are linear or not. This is a figure given. Alright. Now the two angles in this figure are angle PQR and angle SQR. PQR ये एक एंगल दिया है and SQR ये एक एंगल दिया है. I need to identify whether these two angles are linear pair or not. ठीक है? These are our steps to build skills. So we will use steps to build skills to identify whether these two angles are linear pair or not. Write two angles given in the question. So already written. We don't need to write it again. Look, do they have a common arm? Now I have to see in the figure whether these two angles have a common side or not. Right? For every angle there are two arms. जैसे ये एंगल है PQR में, PQR में दो आर्म्स क्या है? एक है RQ और एक है PQ. ये दो आर्म है. For angle SQR ये दोनों में, ये एंगल में what are the two arms? One is QR and one is QS. So for these two angles, can you see QR is common? दोनों एंगल में QR एक कॉमन आर्म बन रहा है. So yes, these two angles have a common arm. Now we'll look for the third step. Look, do they form a straight line? Now, can you see they are forming a straight line? ये आर्म जो हो गया RQ, it is a common arm. बाकी के जो दो आर्म हैं, they are actually forming a straight line. So, if they are forming a straight line, that means these two arms are linear pair. Now, how to write down the answer? I am writing on that side, okay? So, answer कैसे लिखेंगे? I will write angle PQR and angle SQR are linear pair, right? These angles are linear pair. Why? Because they have one common arm, एक कॉमन आर्म है and they form a straight, they form, what they do, they form a straight line, right? जो हमारे स्टेप्स होते हैं क्लास, वो स्टेप्स ही हमारा आंसर होता है. स्टेप्स में था आइडेंटिफाई अ कॉमन आर्म, वो हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है, एंड डू दे फॉर्म अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, वही हमने यहाँ लिखा है। तो जो स्टेप्स होते हैं दैट इज माय रीजन, राइट? इफ दिस टू थिंग्स आर नॉट देयर इन दिस टू एंगल्स, दैट मीन्स दे आर नॉट एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर, right? So this is how you are going to write down the answer. Pause your video here and write down the answer properly. Okay? So what you can do is you can write down, just pause your video, write down from here till here and then write down the answer. Okay? Make sure that you write down everything which is written on the board. Okay. All right. Done.
Start.
With that class, we have come to the end of our today's session. I hope that you liked our video. We are only one more class away with the completion of this chapter. We'll complete this chapter in the next class, and then maybe on Friday or Saturday I will take your test. Okay, that I'll inform you on the WhatsApp group. Homework questions, I will give you homework questions on the WhatsApp group separately. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पे homework questions नहीं लिखा है बोर्ड पे, I will give you separately on the WhatsApp group. So look out for the homework questions and make sure that you complete your notes as well as your homework questions and submit your homework by 1:30 p.m. today. All right. Thank you so much, class.